Good morning, students. Today we will be starting exercise 7.5. In 7.5 we have to add or subtract fractions. So the first question is always very creative and simple. So the first question given is, you have been given a few figures and you have to identify whether addition is taking place or subtraction is taking place. In the first figure you will find that first box is filled with color. First box is filled with color. In the second box, two boxes are filled with color. And after giving equal to sign, three boxes are filled with color. So here, total how many boxes are there? There are 1 by 5 boxes. Out of 5 boxes, 1 box is colored. Here out of 5 boxes, 2 boxes are colored. And here how many? See, 3 by 5 boxes are colored. So what is happening here? 1 and 2 is getting added. So we will give plus sign. Is it very much clear in the camera? Seen? Okay. In this circle you will find that all the sectors are colored. Now in this sector, in this circle, 3 sectors are colored. This sector is colored, this sector is colored, and this sector is colored. So, and in this circle, what is colored? 3 sectors are colored. Okay, sectors are just a part of a circle. Now here how many parts were there? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part. So here 5 by 5 part was colored. Here how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 5 parts are colored. And in this case, how many parts are colored? 2 parts are colored, not 3. Okay. If you will see carefully, then 2 parts are colored. So how can 5 and 3 become 2? If 5 minus 3 is done, it will become 2. Denominator is same, so it can simply undergo subtraction. So 5 and 5 will be same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will remain same, but number of sectors colored are 1, 2. So we will write 2. So the picture is agreeing with our calculation also. So what is it? It is addition. It is subtraction. Here you see, in this box, 2 circles were colored. In this box, 3 circles are colored. And in this box, 5 circles are colored. So 2 by 6 circles are colored here. In this case, 3 by 6 circles are colored here. So here it should be how many? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 6 part is colored. So what we are doing? We are doing addition. So this was about question number 1. Question number 2 is very simple, but I will erase this at first so that you can see question number 2 very clearly. Question number 2 of exercise 7.5. First question is A 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. If denominator is same, then their LCM will also be 18. And this will become 18 ones are 18 and 1 ones are 1. 18 ones are 18 and 1 ones are 1. It will be equal to 2 by 18, and it can be simplified as 1 by 9. Similarly, we can do question number B. Eight by 15 plus 3 by 15 will become 15 as denominator, and since denominator is same, numerator only will be multiplied by 1. 15 ones are 15, 1 eights are 8. 15 ones are 15 and 1 threes are 3. This will become 10, 11 by 15. Now we will see question number 2C. Seven by 7 minus 5 by 7. Denominator is same, it is 7, so it will become 7 minus 5. So it will become 2 by 7. Easy. We will do question number 2D. One by 22 plus 21 by 22. Can you do it orally? I can do it orally. 1 plus 21 will be 22 divided by 22 because denominator is same. That is why it is so easy. 1. Question number 2E. Twelve by 15 minus 7 by 15. 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. This will be 15. Denominator is same, so it will be 12 minus 7 will be equal to 5 by 15. So it can be simplified further. It will become 1 by 3. Question number F. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 will be equal to 8 as LCM. 8 ones are 8, 1 fives are 5. 8 ones are 8 and 1 threes are 3. So it will be equal to 8 by 8 equal to 1. G. 1 minus 2 by 3. It will become 3 minus 2 by 3. Now you will think how I did it. there is one system. You multiply this with this and do whatever is sign given over here. I multiplied 3 with 1, 3 and minus 2. This is one way of doing. Other way of doing the same is every number has a denominator equal to 1. So we can write 1 minus 2 by 3 as 1 by 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 1 can also be written as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So denominator has become same, so it can be simply subtracted. So it becomes 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. It is just like this, but I did it in a shortcut manner, 1 by 3. So both ways are clear. So in both the ways you can do. Or now question number H. One by 4 plus 0 by 4. 0 by 4 means 0 only. So it will become 1 by 4 plus 0. Anything added with 0 will become no change, same. I. Question number I. 3 minus 12 by 5. As I said that every number or any integer has a denominator which is equal to 1. So we can write 3 as 3 by 1. It makes no difference. Minus 12 by 15. LCM of 1 and 15 will be equal to 15. So 1 15s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. 15 1s are 15 and 1 12s are 12. So this will be equal to 3 and this will be equal to 2. So 32 by 15. Do it properly once again. 45 minus 12 will be 3 and this will be also 3. This will become 33 by 15. Both are divisible by 3. So this will be 3 11 times and this will be 3 5 times. So 11 by 5. So in this way you can do addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. Now we will do one word problem. Let me see how many minutes video it is. Yes, still we can do one more problem. Question number 3. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space of his room. So step will be portion of wall painted by Shubham is equal to 2 by 3. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. Portion of wall painted by sister is equal to 1/3. How much did they paint together? How much did they paint together? So together they painted. How will we find out? Together they painted 2/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 equal to 3/3 equal to 1/1. That means full portion of the wall. Okay. Now let me talk with you all little bit. How many questions are there in this exercise? There are 5 questions in the exercise. How many questions I have completed today? I have completed 3 questions. So what portion of the exercise I have completed? 3/5. Now tell me how many portions of the exercise you will solve? 2 more are left. So I completed 3/5. You will complete 2/5. Together we will complete 5/5. Isn't it? Are you getting what I am trying to say? There are 5 questions in the exercise. I completed 3/5 questions. Means 3 questions out of 5 questions. 2 questions are left, 4 and 5. Who will do that? You can do that. If you don't do that, then who will do? Then I will do. When will I do? I will do tomorrow. Okay. So what camera am I using? I am using ordinary mobile camera, but I am using an app. The name of the app is Cine FB5, because of which you are seeing better quality of the video. Okay. See how nice it is looking. All right. Okay. Hope you enjoyed learning. Note it down. I will ask for the notebook any day. All right. So tomorrow I will tell you how to write emails and how to send PDF through email. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay.